And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 23. Let me show you how you can adjust the corners, for example, of rectangles individually. You create a rectangle, and I've shown you in the last video, you can adjust the corner type right here and make it round. But all corners will be affected at the same time. So what if you want to have a different style on left and right, top and bottom? Well, just uncheck this box here for single radius, and then you get 4 drop downs for bottom right, bottom left, top right, and top left. And here you can adjust it individually. They all have a rounded corner here, and I can adjust the value of it. So all now have a different intensity of a round corner. Let me delete that, and we'll create a new rectangle. I'll uncheck the single radius box, and you can also add a different style to each. So I make top left rounded, straight for top right, bottom left concave, bottom right cutout. Keep in mind when you check the box again, this will erase your adjustments, and even if you uncheck it now, this will be gone. But this is the way to adjust your corners in Affinity separately. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.